What's up, guys? What a beautiful drive. What a beautiful scenery. We got to see a beautiful sunrise. Drove through amazing mountains, snowy mountains, beautiful road to come to this delivery. So on that, a very good morning to you guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. We did have a good start in the morning. So we got here at 9:30 in the morning right now. As you can see, we are already back into a dock. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see, we are already in the dock, packed in, and this whole place is icy. Like, as you can see, the grounds are super icy. And yeah, we got here way before appointment time. Appointment was for 10 o'clock, but we did leave. I wanted to leave a little bit more earlier, but I just didn't feel like waking up. I just didn't feel like getting up. I don't know, for some reason I'm feeling a little, I felt a little too lazy. So we didn't wake up like super early. But yeah, we got here before time as usual. You know, we are never late for deliveries. And right now we have an assigned load which is to be picked up from Lexington, Kentucky. And it's supposed to go all the way to Michigan for tomorrow. This is an assigned load. We haven't got it yet. Most probably once we get unloaded from here, then we will get that load. I don't know how long it will take for them to unload, since they have to unload like tires from the trailer. So I'm not really sure how long they'll take, but we do have a load to be picked up from here, going all the way to Michigan for tomorrow. Yeah, so let's see how long they take. And what a beautiful road. So this route that we came was through mountains. Some beautiful scenery, like really good, beautiful sunrise. Like, it was like the perfect view. You know, you could see like mountains and the sun in between them. Like, amazing. It was a good drive. But yeah, right now we are getting unloaded. We are backed in. There was a truck before us. He just left, and then we backed in into their spot. So yeah, this place is going to start. They haven't started yet. They will start unloading us right now. So yeah, let's give them some time, maybe an hour or two. I hope not more than that. But we already have something set up for us for after this, most probably. So let's pray that it is that load. They don't change it last minute. But I don't know exactly. Like, I just know the city and state most probably that we'll be picking up from and going to. We don't know the exact location yet. Only once we get unloaded from here, then we get the next load. So yeah, right now we're just going to chill. This route didn't have much truck stops, so I didn't actually get to go to a truck stop. Like, even yesterday, the place that we stopped didn't look like a proper truck stop, even though it was, but not a regular Loves or Pilots, which is like the common truck stops. It was a different 96 truck stop, I guess it was called. We did get Indian food from there. It was good. It was really good. Not bad, I'm going to say. It was really good. The food was good, so I won't complain about that place. Only thing is, I didn't go there to freshen up in the morning. I just brushed my teeth in the truck and just used the restroom and stuff, and we left. I didn't even get coffee, so I'm still feeling a little because till I don't get coffee in my systems don't start pumping. But yeah, I need to get coffee. Today I need to get a shower. I need to stop at a Love's, so we need to do all that stuff today. So yeah, let me wait, and I'll keep you guys updated on when we get unloaded from here and what's going to happen next, where we getting the next load to. I'm sorry, I'm still feeling sleepy for some reason. I don't know why. I slept well. I did delete a lot of things from my iPhone, so most probably today we have good space. So yeah, I'm going to make use of the space that we have and record some good footage. But yeah, right now we are getting unloaded. So I'll keep you guys updated on how long they take. Again, right now it's 9:30. As I don't know if you can see. Okay, if you can see, it's 9:30. So let's see how long they take. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Okay, let me give you guys a quick update. So we did pick up the load, and you're not going to believe what we are hauling. Okay, that's one of my favorite. We are hauling cases of Dunkin coffee. So we have the boxes of Dunkin coffee, and my whole I think a little more than half the truck is filled with Dunkin coffee boxes. I wish we could get few of it, but no. I just picked up the load, and we drove a few miles from there, and we came to a Love's, which is a fuel stop, and we just fueled up right now. And I decided to go get a quick shower. So as you can see, we got a quick shower. My hair is freaking yeah, so we just got a freaking shower, feeling fresh. I just picked up some hot dogs just to munch on the way. I'm super hungry. So as you can see, I just put some jalapenos and whatever I could find I just put. It looks yummy, but I just wanted to most probably I think this might be dinner for tonight, because I won't be stopping at a truck stop tonight, since we wasted some time over here to get a shower and stuff. Most probably I'm going to drive as much as I can and stop at the nearest rest area if we get parking, or let's see, depends as we drive. It's only 5:20 right now, and we have still close to 3 hours more of drive. We still have 300 miles, so this is going to be a super close call, because the appointment is super strict for 9:30 in the morning. So let's hope we get there on time and we don't screw it up. Okay, so let's head out right now, and I'll keep you guys updated on where we're stopping for the night and how many miles we have for tomorrow and stuff. So yeah, let's get out from here. Oh, before we get out, we have a beautiful sunset happening in front of us, like a super beautiful sunset happening over there. I hope the camera does justice, but yeah, so we have fueled up, so we don't need fuel. So yeah, let's get out. Maybe I think I need to start keeping my hair like, you know, one side. Yeah, that's fucking weird. Okay, yeah, let's get out. Stay tuned, I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. What's up guys? Okay, so let me tell you what's going on. So right now we are like 2 hours away from the delivery, and I had to shut down at the rest area because I was running out of drive time. So we have like 120 miles, so that's like 2 hours 20 minutes. Yeah, and I just got a warning saying that we might have a little bit of snow, so that's gonna fuck things up for me tomorrow morning. But okay, let me ask you guys, okay, a general question. So okay, first, okay, right now the temperature is -8 and it feels like -14. Okay, so it's cold. Okay, I just finished driving and I was about to go to pee, but because it is so cold, my pee froze up, so I came back. Okay, now when I'm coming out, okay, now I have worn my cap, I have worn my jacket, and I'm still feeling cold. Okay, every winter there's always that one motherfucker who you will see with just a t-shirt and short pants, and he's just walking out like he doesn't give a fuck about the cold, man. How is that possible, dude? How is that possible? It's so freaking cold, man. There's always that one guy, I don't know, every time there's always that one guy who'll wear like shorts, just a t-shirt, and he'll just be like walking on the road around like a truck driver. Okay, not like a homeless fucker, but like a proper truck driver who's just walking like to the restroom and stuff, and like he doesn't give a fuck about the cold. But yeah, anyways, so this delivery is a Costco delivery, and we have an appointment for 9:30, which is sharp appointment, so we cannot be late. As per what I calculated, we should be there before time, so that should be good. But depending on the snow, how much snow we get tonight, I hope it's not too much. But yeah, last time also I said the same thing in Illinois, and it ended up snowing and fucking things up. So let's pray that it's not that bad snow, and we can get there on time. For some reason, I already have uh, different loads sent to me already. This one is like a, so like I said, we have different apps that they use to track us. So on one of the apps, I got a message saying that I have a load to be picked up tomorrow, which is from Lucky, Ohio, and this one is supposed to go to Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. So it's supposed to be picked up tomorrow on the 16th. So I guess probably this is going to be the next load. So once we drop the Costco load, then we'll be going to Ohio, picking this one up, and that's going to Pennsylvania for the 17th of Jan. So I'm not really sure, but most probably this might be the load. So I'll let you know, guys, once we deliver this, and once we get there, then we can figure out the next things. So yeah, I'm going to end this over here. I mean, there's nothing to show you outside. It's just a rest area. I didn't pick up food. I ate those hot dogs, and I'm actually still full from that, so we won't be having anything. I'm just going to edit the videos, upload something either, and just edit few videos and keep it ready so I can upload. So yeah, guys, if you stay till the end and you watch my videos, do like, subscribe, you can share these videos. And if you stay till the end, thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me that each of you watch my video. So on that note, guys, stay safe, peace, do whatever makes you happy, man. Like, see my hair, I keep combing it, it doesn't give a fuck, it keeps doing whatever the fuck it wants. So yeah, just do whatever makes you happy, man. No one can stop you. Bye, good night, peace.